Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use simple query in a plsql block. So I am opening my VS Code already. So I am writing all my plsql code here. So I am making one file, that is tut5.sql. So here I am on the server output. We have some blocks there. We can write all the plsql code. Declare, begin, here I am making one variable, that is vename. What I am going to do in this program, that is I am retrieving a data from the emp table that I have. Select star from emp. So guys, this is the my emp table data. So here I am what I am doing, that I am inputting EMP-NO and retrieving data of that EMP-NO. So here I am only taking a ename for retrieving data. So vename is here I am storing the what will be the output will be coming. Ename type. So its data type will be, what is the data type in a table will be given to ename. I am going to retrieve a data from a table. Select ename. Here ename will be we can get the ename. I need to store it in a ename, vename. So I have one variable, that is vename. So I am declaring ename into vename from emp where emp-NO equal to 7844. So guys, 7844 is my table. In my table emp, this 7844 and its name is Turner. So I get the name is Turner. TBMS. So this is my output statement. So guys, we get the Turner. So we have another method that we can take EMP-NO from the user. User get input EMP-NO and we can retrieve data from table. So what I am going to do here, two things, that I am taking input from the user and displaying all the record of that EMP-NO related. So here I am declaring one variable, that is VEMP-NO. Its data type is the same as EMP table, EMP-NO column, its type. Or here we get the input from the user. Its syntax is colon equal to ampersand. It's any random name. ENO is not important, it's only alias name or temporary name for taking input from the user. Its data will be stored in EMP-NO. Here I am removing this ename and here declaring erec. Its type is EMP table and row type. What I am doing here, that all the column of the table data type, that will be stored in a erec. So if I want to display the name of employee number, then I will write erec dot ename. So this is the process. So I am storing data into erec and replacing ename with the star. So select star from EMP, we get all the detail of related to EMP-NO into erec. So here I am removing 744 and writing replacing to VEMP no. So guys, here I am displaying all the record one by one. Let's take all the one by one. So we have completed written all the code. So I am inputting. So here it will be asking EMP NO. So I am inputting 7698. So 7698. So here all. So here you can see that all the record will be printing here. I have inputting 7898 7698. So data will be this. So guys, if what will be happen if I am inputting wrong EMPNO. So guys, we in validating that the user will input correct EMPNO correct or not. So here we need to declare one more variable, that is flag. Its number is, its predefined value is 0. Here I am counting the record from the table into flag. So here we get the, if data will be found, then the count will be 1 and it will be stored in the flag. If flag will be 0, then we have not getting any record from the table. So here we can printing the message as a, what value will be we will get in a flag. Here if flag equal to 1, then we successfully get the data. So here I am printing the, so here I am pasting all the code here. Data is not found. No data is found. So this is the code of our plsql block. Here we have validating that the EMP-NO is exist or not. So guys, here I am running this code. So here it is asking for a employee number. So here I am giving correct employee number. So it will be printing all the data of related with this EMP-NO. So here I am giving wrong EMP-NO. Let's check what will be happen. So here I am writing a wrong EMP-NO. So here it will be printing that no data is found. So here I am going to quick explain what I have done in this program. So here we have taking a one EMP-NO that will be taking input from the user. Here there we can taking all the column of the EMP table. So here we can taking flag, it will be decide that the data is found or not. So here we have begin section. In this, here we can getting that the record is correct or not. So here it will if data will not found, then the count will be 0 and it will be stored into flag. If data will be found, then only one data will get from the one EMP-NO. So it will be stored in a flag. So here we check the using if condition, that if flag will be 1, then it will be displaying all the record, else the data, no data is found. So here we have closed this if statement, and here our program will be closed. If you new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, then click on like button, and comment any suggestion or doubt in a comment box. Okay, thank you.